Hey there, YouTube sorcerer, YouTube fam! Welcome back to Chapter by Chapter, where we break down the game-changing knowledge that's going to level up your life. Today, we've got a powerhouse topic that's going to revolutionize the way you navigate the world. Law 12, from the legendary book 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. You can find a link to this famous book in the description below, so buckle up and let's dive into the secrets. All right, power players. Law 12 is all about strategic honesty and generosity. Greene argues that you should use these tools selectively to disarm those around you. It's a psychological chess move, and trust me, you're going to want to master it. First off, Greene emphasizes the power of honesty, but not the naive, spill your guts out kind. We're talking about calculated honesty, strategically revealing just enough to gain trust while keeping your cards close to your chest. Think of it as a carefully crafted narrative that plays to your advantage. Now, let's talk generosity. This isn't about being a doormat. It's about using generosity as a Trojan horse to infiltrate the defenses of others. Greene suggests that by giving strategically, you create a sense of obligation in others, putting them in your debt. It's a subtle power move that pays dividends. Time for some real-world examples to drive these points home. We'll explore historical figures, modern leaders, and maybe even a few personal anecdotes. Learning from those who've mastered Law 12 is the key to applying it effectively in your own life. Of course, mastering this law isn't a walk in the park. There are risks involved, and Greene doesn't shy away from them. We'll discuss potential pitfalls and challenges you might face, along with strategies to overcome them. After all, knowledge without application is like having a Ferrari and never taking it out for a spin. Now here's where it gets juicy. Imagine combining Law 12 with other laws from Greene's arsenal. The synergy is mind-blowing. We'll touch on how using these laws in harmony amplifies their impact, creating a power play that's practically unstoppable. All right, power players. We've just scratched the surface of Law 12 from 48 Laws of Power. But remember, knowledge is power only if you apply it. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and drop a comment below. What other laws do you want us to break down in future videos? Let's keep the conversation going. And until next time, stay powerful.